G'day mates, just Ashraf here. So this video might be kind of different. I'm just here to talk about a bit of history of mine, journey I had with Blender. It started with 2.8. I downloaded that Blender versions and it changed my life. I really like Blender. I really like the UI. It's so much user friendly. So where I'm gonna begin? So if you go to my channel, you will see the first video I uploaded. It was like 4 months ago. Blender showreel introductions. A month before, I was just trying to learn Blender, like just do many things, and like what brought me into Blender. So the story began here. I've made some kind of quick presentations for you guys to understand me pretty quick. So big influence for me is start from Derek Elliott. Who is Derek Elliott? If you just go to YouTube, okay, just type Derek Elliott. Yep, he made a lot of product design stuff and quick animation and cool stuff, cool animation stuff, and it's just really amazing. And it's pretty simple, like and he explained, like I really enjoying it when just listening him talking, honestly. He does a pretty good job at tutorials, like pretty calming and stuff. So it started from this Derek Elliott. He taught me basic 2D model, product design, basic animation, camera and light thing. I have no idea how camera works in this kind of 3D softwares because I was using Rhinoceros back in the day. And I don't think so I use camera and lighting too much and stuff, but yeah. And second, Ducky 3D. Who is Ducky 3D? He made a lot of cool sci-fi stuff, also materials. Like he taught me a lot of something about materials and how to work in node editor and those kind of things, you know. My Wi-Fi is not working very well, sorry. So yeah, he taught me a lot of cool sci-fi stuff, sci-fi animations. Example like this, we can go here, let's watch it. I think kind of like gives you dizzy, sorry if that's so. Yeah, it's just quick animation with animations, things and stuff. Pretty cool things, and yeah, that's all for the second guy. I found Ducky 3D, and then from that guy I found Josh Gambrel. This is the time where it began. I'm into hard surface modeling. I never know. Well, I actually always like those kind of things, mechanical design, but I never know like they are actually called hard surface. So once I found him and he made a lot of hard surface modeling, and oh damn, I really like it. So I just give it a shot. I give it a try on Blender, following his tutorials and stuff. And he taught me a lot of boolean cut, boolean slice stuff, everything, you know, with add-ons and fixing topology. Also, nothing's wrong with default cube. Wow. And because honestly, like really, at the first time I used Blender, like I read comments, people were talking about so sad, default cube got deleted as always, something like that, you know. And I was thinking, is there something wrong with default cube? And it really stays in my head. And until he says it, Josh Gamble says it, nothing's wrong with default cube. All right. So it's just people making it fun of it. All right. So doesn't always have to use subdivisions. At the beginning I was kind of confused as well, like people use subdivisions to model, and yeah, like do I have to use it? Like I kind of asking myself that, and Josh Gamble make a video about it as well, so I got my answers. Doesn't have to, like just know yourself, like where do you want to go, and don't be afraid of endgons. You know, endgons sometimes cause trouble with your 3D model stuff, and yeah, it's still related to subdivisions. Doesn't have to be sub D. You don't have to be afraid of endguns. Use the advantage of endguns, I guess. And also I met Ian Hubert. I came across to one of his videos, those lazy tutorials, and also his crazy environments. I didn't write anything because I don't know which one. How, like, there are so many. I learned a lot from him. Like, I really like environments. So I like products. I like hard surface thingies. I like sci-fi. I like environments. And I met Ponteriu. Ponteriu gives me boosts for hard surface. You know, he uploaded a lot of like cool quick tips with his channel. You guys have to check him out. Like, pretty good though. And there are actually more of these artists, like, of course, like more tons, hundreds. These guys are just the ones who brought me into Blender. Like, this guy are the one who helped me, like brought me into Blender. Also, that was for the big influence for me, right? Continuous influences. What is continuous influences? That thing that, you know, that thing that keep you on this path, the thing that keep you driving on this path. Me, I really like box cutter. Once I found box cutter, I literally wake up in the morning and I open my laptop and just use box cutter to cut default cube and then close Blender. Like, really. It was just like that. And second, this is important. You guys can see that this is important. Make anything and make more. Like, seriously, just do it. Don't be afraid of mistake. I was there. Like, I was trying to make things right. I was trying to make a knife, sword. I was trying to make a helmet, but I was kind of scared. Like, is this right? Is this the right? Is this the right way to cut things? I was there questioning myself a lot, but then I don't know. Day by day, I was kind of like trying to more. Just do more. Like, just make more. Like, forget about the mistakes. Eventually you will find your mistakes and you will want to fix those, but at the beginning it's so hard to, you know, it's like getting out of the bubble. Like, get out from those comfort zone. Don't be afraid, just do something and just make more. So, but while those things happening, add-ons. I'm happy with add-ons. I'm so happy downloading add-ons. Why? It's like PlayStations. If you guys playing games, PC games, you know, you can add some DLC to the game or some extras or cheats. Maybe, I don't know. But it's just so fun trying add-ons. It's just so much fun. And also, yeah, I guess this is the end. If you want to start but you don't know where to start, ask yourself first, what do you like? I like environments, I like hard surface modeling, I like product design, but which one should I start? I don't know. I actually start with I met Derek Elliott and I'm really impressed with his works, and I followed tutorials and it kind of helped me a lot with that. And I met Daki 3D learning materials with him and Josh Scramble hard surface. So just follow the flow. Just follow the flow that like what you want. Just ask yourself first what you like to do, and just pick one. And you can, well, I mean, pick one first at the beginning, and if you feel like there's enough, go move on to the next one. It's not hard to do like that, right? So I'm going to show you a bit of my works here. There are some things that I did with this is from Derek Elliott. I kind of tried to make a product animations. Yeah, it was pretty simple. You guys could see, like, pretty bad, but it was worth it. It was worth it learning. And then as well, this the box from Derek Elliott as well. I was learning. I struggle a lot. Like really, I struggle a lot though. It wasn't easy for me. I struggle a lot making these things. Even just a box and emissions and letter A. Oh man, come on. It was so hard for me. But yeah, just kept on trying. Just don't give up. That's all. Also, this is one of my first ever hard surface bomb. You guys could see that pretty low poly, and I don't even know why this color change, and this one's not. I don't even know. Many problems I encountered, and I don't even know how to fix them, but I kept on trying. I kept on searching on YouTube and stuff. Eventually I feel like, all right, I could do it, and I kept making stuff. And these are like, I make some kind of product, but I feel like the whole product kind of embarrassing, doesn't look good, so I zoom in like pretty close and put some depth of field, so it make people like just looking at that specific place that on blurry, so people wouldn't recognize how ugly around of it. And yeah, this is the process what I did though. And also I did many things. I even did some kind of pictures, but it's kind of like animated. It's weird, I know, but I told you I like environments. This is weird as well. Like, this is bad. Don't even know what it is. Yeah, you guys can see that how bad that is. But I still not giving up. I kept trying. I kept make more. And for environments, this is one of his ever. This one of my first. I guess I was following YouTube tutorials as well. Sci-fi environments. This thing. It was kind of bad. I don't know. You guys judge that. And then I became to make this kind of things now. I mean, yeah. I was pretty happy with it, honestly. Like, I've always watched those people, how can they make those cool stuff? And I actually, I think I could get there. Like, I still have a lot to learn, but I feel like I could get there. But this is just some kind of weird animations out of it. But still, I like it. And yeah, I guess that's all. Or also, I'm gonna show you guys a bit of videos. Here, downloads. Okay, let's see. This is one of my first projects. I mean, not projects, just things I made just to play. This one is my first ever environment, sci-fi environment. Like, animated, yeah. Yeah, which is like this though. It's pretty high poly. You guys can see the table, the things. Because I don't even know. Because I don't even know how to make them look good. I just enjoying it. Blender. I just like Blender. And this is just some plane with displacement, and I make animation with it. And that's all. And this yep, force field. Boom. Just like that. And also this. I think it's like some kind of mage playing with his magic on the road while raining and making it look sad. He's just alone. Never mind. And yeah, it was worth it. Like, all this learning. And this is actually I made an anime. I saw a music video, and it was like a museum with a lot of paintings, but it wasn't real. It was like CGI. So I made it. Make it look like I made something look like that. Yeah, paintings of Anselm Kiefer. Shout out to him. I guess that's all for now. Oh, by the way, if you want to know more about like what I like to do, I guess you guys can go to my art stations. Go to my profile. The link is in the descriptions below. I'll make sure of that. And my connection is pretty bad now. So yeah, you guys could see the works I did here. It was pretty random, right? Somehow environment, somehow product, somehow helmet. Come on, man. But you guys could see I made some kind of categories here. So it's more tidy like that. But you guys can go to my like sections. These things, you guys could see what I like. Environments, just like I said, I like environments. I like sci-fi, I like product design, I like buildings, I like swords, I like decals, many things, characters. This one's actually insane. Like, I guess this is my goals, to make it something this real. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Right, I guess that's all for my history stuff, and yeah. Right, so some of you, one of you asked me which one to get. If you want to start hard surface modeling, which one to get? The add-ons, decals machine, box cutter, hard mesh machine, machine tools and stuff, everything. Do your research first, because this is a really tough question, so it can't be told by, okay, you should get this first. Like, if you don't mind to cut things, I mean, you know, box cutter basically cut pretty quick, and that things, you know, and also you can do array to it exactly, and yeah, I mean, if you don't mind, just go mesh like that, and just scale it, and maybe, oh wait, sorry, and then straight cutting it. Control Shift B, use the bool tool add-ons, it's free from Blender itself. And yeah, if you don't mind just to use this, and also you can go to array, same thing, you know, make it tree, make it like that. But if you don't mind to do that, just get hard ops then. And also, because hard ops, what you can do with it, you can bevel pretty easy, and also you can go to use modifier easy like that, and like that, or even like that, or even like that. Pretty quick and easy, right? And also what I really like is the radial array. It's so damn easy because my cursor in the middle there, right? So I could just go Q and mesh tools and radial array. It's gonna be like there as well, but if you press C, it's gonna around the cursor. So it's pretty handy though. Like, it's so much pretty handy, honestly. Pretty cool. And yeah, so no, just do your research first, which one to get. But you know, if you want the alternatives for box cutter, I guess Blender 2.9T add primitive. Yeah, add primitive. These things, it can be the alternative for box cutter. So you guys can just use that and get hard ops. But for decal machine, it's kind of worth it as well, actually. You know, if I just put here like that, it does pretty cool looking decals there. Like, yeah, you can even change the color of it. Let's see, I'm gonna change it into black. It's cool, right? If you can buy just only 2 add-ons for this hard surface, I would say box cutter and decal machine, or hard ops and decal machine. So you guys, thank you for watching, thank you for sticking here, and see you next time.